Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling crushed by student loan payments while prices for everything, rent, groceries, gas, keep climbing, you're not alone. In 2025, the average American is juggling student debt with a high-cost economy, and it's tough. Today, we're diving into practical strategies to survive student loan payments without losing your financial sanity. Let's break it down into manageable steps so you can take control of your debt and still live your life. Stick around, because I've got tips that can save you thousands. Section 1. Understand your loan situation. First things first, know exactly what you're dealing with. Log into your loan servicer's website, whether it's Navient, Fed Loan, or another, and check your balance, interest rate, and repayment terms. As of 2025, the average student loan debt is around $39,000, with interest rates for federal loans hovering between 5% and 8%. Private loans? They can hit 12% or more. If you don't know your numbers, you're flying blind. Download your loan details or take a screenshot. Write down your monthly payment and how long you'll be paying. This is your starting point. Now, check if you're on the right repayment plan. Federal loans offer options like standard, graduated, or income-driven repayment plans. Income-driven plans, like Pay A or Save, cap your payments at 10 to 20% of your discretionary income, which is a lifesaver if your budget's tight. But here's the catch: these plans might extend your repayment period, meaning more interest over time. Use the Department of Education's Loan Simulator, link in the description, to see which plan fits your income and goals. Section 2. Budgeting for loan payments. Let's talk budgeting, because in a high-cost economy, every dollar counts. Groceries are up 20% since 2020, and rent's not far behind. To make room for loan payments, try the 50/30/20 budgeting rule. 50% of your income for necessities like rent and food, 30% for wants like dining out or streaming subscriptions, and 20% for savings and debt payments. If your loan payment is eating up too much, cut back on that 30% category first. Maybe swap restaurant meals for home cooking or cancel that extra streaming service. Here's a pro tip: automate your loan payments. Most servicers offer a 0.25% interest rate reduction for auto pay, which adds up over time. Plus, it ensures you never miss a payment, protecting your credit score. If your income's stretched, look at your expenses with a fine-tooth comb. Apps like YNAB or Mint can track where your money's going. One client of mine found they were spending $200 a month on coffee and subscriptions, cutting that in half freed up cash for their loans. Section 3. Tackling high interest and refinancing. High interest rates are a killer in 2025. If you've got private loans with rates above 10%, consider refinancing to lock in a lower rate. Companies like SoFi or Earnest offer rates as low as 4 to 6% for qualified borrowers, but you'll need a decent credit score, think 700 or higher, and steady income. Refinancing federal loans is trickier because you'll lose benefits like income-driven plans or potential forgiveness. So, weigh the pros and cons. If you refinance, shop around for the best terms and avoid extending your loan term too long. You'll pay less monthly but more interest overall. Can't refinance? Focus on paying extra toward high-interest loans first. This is called the avalanche method. For example, if you've got a $10,000 loan at 8% and a $5,000 loan at 5%, throw extra cash at the 8% loan while making minimum payments on the other. Even $50 extra a month can shave years off your repayment. Section 4. Leveraging forgiveness and assistance programs. Loan forgiveness is a hot mess in 2025. Programs like public service loan forgiveness are still around, but the rules are strict. You need 10 years of qualifying payments while working full-time for a government or nonprofit employer. As of now, only about 2% of PSLF applicants get approved, so double-check your eligibility on the federal student aid website. If you're in public service, don't give up, get your employment certified annually to stay on track. Other assistance programs exist too. Some employers offer student loan repayment benefits. Think $100 to $200 a month toward your loans. Check with your HR department. States like New York and California also have loan repayment programs for professions like healthcare or teaching. Search your state's education department website for options. These programs won't wipe out your debt overnight, but they're free money you're not tapping into otherwise. Section 5. Side hustles to boost payments. If your budget's maxed out, it's time to boost your income. In 2025, the gig economy is thriving. Try freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr if you've got skills like writing or graphic design. Ride sharing with Uber or food delivery with DoorDash can pull in $15 to $25 an hour after expenses. One of my viewers paid an extra $500 a month toward their loans by tutoring online. Even 10 hours a week at $20 an hour can make a dent in your principal, cutting interest costs over time. Section 6. Staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Paying off student loans in a high-cost economy feels like running a marathon with weights on your back. To stay motivated, set small milestones. Pay off $1,000? Celebrate with a cheap treat, like a movie night at home. Track your progress with a debt payoff chart. There are free templates online. And don't let setbacks derail you. If you lose your job or face a medical bill, call your loan servicer. Federal loans offer forbearance or deferment options, though interest may still accrue. Use these sparingly to avoid falling deeper into debt. Surviving student loan payments in 2025 isn't easy, but you've got this. Start by knowing your loans inside out, budget like a pro, explore refinancing or forgiveness, and maybe pick up a side hustle. Small steps add up to big wins. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. Drop a comment with your biggest student loan struggle. I'll try to cover it in a future video. Until next time, keep fighting the good fight with your finances.